Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at TwilightTrade SEES EA for MT4. Right from the start, this is clearly an MT4 Expert Advisor, and according to the MQL5 Marketplace page, it was developed by Sahar Abd Al-Rahim Abd El-Ghaffar. Looking through the marketplace listing, the EA is currently priced at 10,000 US dollars with rental options available starting from 1,000 US dollars per month and 5,000 US dollars per year. The version shown here is 17.88, updated on December 15th, 2019. According to the developer, TwilightTrade SEES is a fully automated expert advisor built around a combination of level trading concepts, right, price action analysis, and standard MetaTrader 4 indicators. The description also emphasizes that the system is designed to run automatically without the use of grid trading, martingale, arbitrage, hedging, or tick scalping techniques. Now, as I continue scrolling through the page, the developer mentions two features called profit close and profit percent, okay, which are intended to give users control over profit management. All right. Another notable point highlighted in the description is that the EA operates without a stop loss. The developer states that this approach is intended to protect account balance while allowing the system to manage positions according to its internal logic. The marketplace page also notes that money management is built into the system with automatic lot calculation based on the selected risk per trade. This means position sizing can be adjusted according to the trader's chosen risk settings rather than relying entirely on fixed lot values. Moving down to the recommendations section, the developer specifically recommends using TwilightTrade SEES on GBPUSD on the M15 time frame. That is important because this is the only recommended symbol and time frame provided in the listing. So that is the primary environment the developer suggests for evaluation and testing. Another recommendation shown here is the use of VPS hosting on a 24-hour basis. Since this is an automated trading system, maintaining uninterrupted platform operation may be beneficial for consistent execution. Now, let us take a closer look at the available parameters. The settings are relatively straightforward. There are options related to money management, including the use parameter, risk controls, and maximum lot restrictions. Users can also define a maximum spread value, helping prevent trade execution under unfavorable spread conditions. In addition, there is a slippage parameter, with the developer recommending values between 1 and 3. Now, with the marketplace overview complete, let us move into the historical backtesting section. Okay, let's start by reviewing the provided tester report here. I can see that initial deposit was $10,000, total net profit 1,020.55, and 133 trades were taken, out of which 114 were profitable, giving us an 85.71% win rate. But this is for GBPUSD M15 time frame. Here, this also shows GBPUSD M15 time frame. Let's see the dates. This is for 2nd January 2018 to 2nd March 2018. Seems like it was just 1 month data. Here we have 2nd January 2017 to 29th December 2017. Over 100% profit generated, 82.34% win rate. Here we have okay, this was 2016, from 4th January to 30th December. Over 160% profit generated, 86.73% win rate. Okay, so the equity curve also looks kind of smooth, although yeah, there were some periods of rise and falling, right? But overall, it was a steady growth over time. Let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the TwilightTrade SEES EA performed on GBPUSD M15 time frame recommended settings, right, over the past 3 months. March 23rd, 2016 to June 23rd, 2016. So here we have $10,000 deposit, 770.46 total net profit, and the win rate was 100%. Out of 26 trades, all of them were profitable. We have $64.98 as the largest profit, $29.63 as the average profit. Now let's just go turn on the visual so that we can also see this EA in action. All right. So reviewing the historical test results, I want to focus primarily on how the EA behaved over the tested period rather than treating the results as a prediction of future performance. Since the developer recommends GBPUSD on M15 time frame, you can see that is the context that I am using when evaluating the backtest activity. So looking at the historical chart behavior, the developer's description suggests that trade decisions are influenced by level trading concepts, price action, and standard MT4 indicators. Beyond that, the exact entry and exit logic isn't disclosed, so it is important not to make assumptions about those specific strategy mechanics. What we can do is observe how positions were managed throughout the testing period, how frequently trades appeared, and how the overall equity curve developed over time. Historical testing can provide useful insights into consistency, drawdown characteristics, and trade management behavior, but it remains only one part of a complete evaluation process. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing over extended periods can help reveal how performance changes during ranging markets, trending environments, and periods of higher volatility. Now, when reviewing the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization choices. Overall, the TwilightTrade SEES EA presents itself as a fully automated MT4 trading system that combines level trading concepts, price action, and standard MetaTrader indicators while avoiding greed, martingale, arbitrage, hedging, and tick scalping approaches. As with any expert advisor, I will strongly encourage traders to perform their own testing and optimization before considering live deployment so they can determine whether the system matches their personal risk tolerance and trading objectives. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content and expert reviews. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.